All right, everybody, now let's make some basic format fixes that everybody seems to make as a mistake. Start by taking a look at your paragraphs and your heading. Do you see all those empty spaces in between paragraphs and above and below the title? Well, delete those. You want to get rid of all of these empty spaces because we're about to double space it. So after your essay or your story looks like this, then you are ready to select the entire document. Do that by pressing Control A, and it'll highlight everything. While we have everything highlighted, you might as well choose the correct font. It needs to be set to size 12 and needs to be Times New Roman. Now, for the double spacing, if you click on the icon, which has the vertical arrow next to three horizontal lines, if you click on double, then it will double space your entire essay, which means that it should now look like this. Notice that there are no extra spaces in between the paragraphs or above or below the title. This is an extremely common mistake, and you should see how it looks like correctly right here. Now, let's take a look at the heading, another location for a lot of other kinds of mistakes. First of all, make sure that your title is centered. That means that you are using this button, not just pressing the space bar a bunch of times or anything like that, but that it is center justified. Please put your actual name at the top of the document and not just the words your name. You can go ahead and delete the word honors after English 1. This is not an honors class, so that doesn't belong there. And last for heading, you want to make sure that the date is written out in military time. That means it's the number of the date, then the month fully written out, and then the year fully written out. It must look like this, and you can use today's date if you like. It doesn't really matter.